Today, I'll run you through the installation process for the Philmac CTS fitting. This is for connections to CTS tubing. It can also be used to connect PEX pipe. I'm doing a connection with a 1-inch CTS tubing. The only tools you need are something to cut the pipe and a wrench to tighten up the nut. It's important that you cut the pipe reasonably square and it's clear of burrs. Before you start your installation process, you need to make sure the nut is backed off and there's about 1 thread showing. Then push the pipe into the fitting. It goes in very easily, as you can see. There's a definite point of resistance you can feel when you push it in. You don't have to force it. Then tighten the nut by hand and use the wrench to do the final tighten. It's important that you don't over-tighten. You just need to nip it up slightly until you get the nut butting up against the flange of the body. And that is the fitting fully installed. Now for disassembly, it's a simple process. You take your wrench and loosen the nut slightly. Then loosen the nut by hand until you have 1 thread showing. Then just pull the tube out like so. That's the disassembly process for the Philmac CTS fitting.